everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited. I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro Max in space gray, 128 gigabytes. We're just going to get right into it. I mainly wanted to upgrade my phone for the camera quality. With my job, it's definitely important for me to take high quality pictures and videos. But did I absolutely need to upgrade? Definitely not. I do want to say thank you guys for supporting me because you guys are a huge reason why I get to do fun stuff like this. So thank you to you guys. Okay, this box is interesting. I've never seen an iPhone box like this before. So it says to like push out the sides. I don't know, kind of cool, kind of weird. We are just gonna set the box aside. So here's the box for the iPhone. It's heavier than I thought it would be. It's also very thin because there's no like charging block in it, which is very disappointing. Okay, we're gonna open it. I'm so excited. Okay, it's time for my favorite part. She is beautiful. The cameras on this phone are huge. Okay, and then for the rest of the stuff in the box, we have the charger and then the little designed by Apple in California stickers. Oh, I forgot that this phone doesn't require like a physical SIM card. They're using eSIM now, I guess. Let's get to the fun stuff because I want to set up this phone so bad. Peeling this paper off is probably my favorite part. Okay, we're gonna start the setup process. I am just gonna go through the setup process. I'm probably gonna have to cut a couple parts out, obviously, so nobody sees my information. Okay, I think I'm gonna do the quick start. Usually I set it up manually because I feel like it's more like exciting that way because you get to like, I don't know, go through and choose everything. I don't know why it's more exciting to me, but I've always kind of had problems whenever I do that, so I am just gonna set it up with the quick start thing so that everything just transfers over easily. I'm not like setting it up as a new phone or something. That's always kind of been a pain in the butt. I do have the iPhone 12 Pro Max right now, and I know you're probably thinking like, girl, why did you upgrade? They're not even that different. See, I don't have a good answer for you. I wanted to upgrade, I wanted to treat myself. But yeah, I don't know. I didn't get the new phone last year because I felt like the 13 just was not different enough from the 12 to upgrade it. But this new phone, I was very intrigued by the dynamic island. Also, my phone's just been acting up recently, and so I was like, okay, I think it's time for a new one. This is a good time to get one. Might as well do it. Okay, I feel like this is super easy. If this eSIM thing was literally just pressing one button, like that is amazing. It's activating right now. Also, I wanted to tell you guys, I'm gonna do like a what's on my iPhone in this video, which you probably saw in the title, but just so you know, stick around for that because in a few days after I like get my phone set up and how I want it, I'm gonna show you guys what's on it because that is literally my highest requested video. I also ordered some cases for my phone, so I'll show you guys those too. Okay, the eSIM thing is set up. That was like a little too easy. Okay, we're gonna do Face ID. Okay, it's asking me how I want to transfer my data. I think I want to just transfer from iPhone. It may take a while, so let's unbox the cases. If you've been watching me for a while, you know how much I love Wildflower cases. I have 3. At first, I only ordered 1. This is the first one I ordered. It's just this little blue floral case, but I also decided that I wanted the second one. So here it is. It's this like orange case with red stars all over it. I think this one is just so cool. It's a completely different vibe than this one. And then if you know me, you know that I love cats and I want one so bad. So I was planning on sticking with just the 2 cases that I ordered, but then Wildflower came out with this kittens case and I just couldn't resist. So we have 3. I think I'm gonna put the kittens case on first because I'm just so excited about it. Let me know which out of these 3 is your favorite in the comments. Devin and Sydney, if you're watching this, I love you. Let me know if you want to work together. Oh, this case is literally perfect. Here it is. This is actually adorable. I'm so obsessed with this. But my phone is gonna take a long time to transfer everything over. So I will see you guys in the what's on my iPhone. So it is a few days later. I have adjusted to my new phone and I've kind of changed the way that it was set up from my old one just a little bit. But I'm obsessed with this new layout. I also changed my case. I have this star one on now, and honestly, I thought I was gonna like the kittens one more. I think I like this one more. It's just so fun and funky and I feel like it's perfect for Halloween. Okay, let's get to what is on my iPhone. So this is my lock screen. This is just a picture from Santa Barbara. I love how with iOS 16 you can change the font and the color and can add little widgets on your lock screen. This has been so helpful. I also have a bunch of other lock screens that I've made just for different purposes. I also love this one. This one is super cute, but I like how this one is colorful. So anyways, I have a reminders widget and then my AirPods widget that just tells me how much they're charged. And then it has the date and the weather at the top. And then you open my phone and this is what the home screen looks like. So I have this widget up at the top from the app Widgetsmith, and it just has the day of the week with a little calendar of the month, and I find this really helpful. I also realized since I like having like the bigger phones, sometimes like since my hands are small, it's hard to like reach the top of the screen comfortably. So I do like to put things at the top of the home screen just to like move the apps down a little bit. So you'll notice my most used apps are in the bottom right corner. But anyways, I'm jumping ahead. So first I have messages, then photos, notes, and YouTube. And then I have a Pinterest widget. I love Pinterest widgets. If you don't already use them, you should. They just make your home screen so fun. I love it because you can set it to a certain board. So this one is on books and it changes hourly, and I have all of these other boards to choose from my Pinterest. You can also choose ones from other people's Pinterest, I think. So I have one for my books board, and then the next one is a board called Fall, since it is fall right now when I'm filming this. And then again, I have my most used apps, which are Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok. I wish they were not my most used apps, but they are. And then at the bottom, I have phone, camera, Safari, and music. And then you go to the next page and I have another Pinterest widget, and then I have a reminders widget. So if you open it up, you can just see all of the stuff that I have to do. This is just my to-do list. I can actually check off laundry, and I can check off the extra credit assignment. I can also check off that. Okay, anyways, so I just organized this second page and I love it. I think it's so cute because it's just so simplistic. I used to have all my apps like not in folders, but I decided to organize them because I feel like it'll just look less cluttered this way. But on the first page, I do like just having them not in folders so that they're easy to get to, since I use these apps all the time. So first I have my finances folder, boring stuff, and then I have my shopping folder. So I have Amazon, Depop, Shop, which is actually a package tracking app. I highly recommend getting this app because it is very, very helpful. I have Urban Outfitters, Target, Princess Polly, Cotton On, Grubhub, Starbucks, Walgreens, Unidays, and Subway. I also do recommend downloading Unidays because it's an app that gives college students discounts and stuff, so that's very helpful. And then I have my editing folder. I have PicsArt, Lightroom, Retouch, PhotoGrid, and Fonto. These are all for making my thumbnails, which I usually do on my iPad, so some of these apps are like offloaded because I haven't used them in a while. I have an app called Epic that should also be in here. I don't know where that is. But anyways, next I have my emails folder, so it just has my school email and all of my personal emails. Then we have the Apple folder, so this is just a bunch of like the basic Apple apps that like come with your phone that I just didn't really know what to do with or where to put them. I actually do use a lot of these apps, but the way that I use them is just swiping like this and then just searching them. And then I have my college folder, so this just has all of my school apps. So I have Zoom, GoodNotes, Duo Mobile, Docs, Get Mobile, which is an app for my school specifically, and then Discord, Line, Canvas, GroupMe, and that's it. So moving on to tech. Wiz and Govee Home are the apps that control my light bulbs. So one of them controls this lamp, and then the other controls a lamp on my nightstand. And then we have the Ring doorbell app and the Roku app. Next, I have my socials that I don't use quite as often. So I have Pinterest, BeReal, YouTube Studio, and Locket. YouTube Studio is not like a social media. It's just where like creators can see all of like their analytics and stuff like that. But I didn't really know where to put this, so I just put it in the socials part. And then the Locket app, if you don't know what that is, I'll show you guys in a second. So I think that's everything on this page. So my next page, this one is just widgets. I don't really know why I have this page. I think it's just because it's cute. First, I have my music widget, and then I have a Pinterest widget. This one is for quotes. And then I have another Pinterest widget. I think this one is like for cute picnics or something like that. And then I have the Locket app, which I was just talking about. So basically this is just an app where you can take a picture. I'll take one right now to show you guys. And then you basically just like send it to your friend's home screen. So the one on my home screen right now is from Brayden, and it's a really fun app, but I just hardly ever use it. And that is everything on my home screen. Those are all of my pages, but I will show you guys my app library. This is gonna be boring. I'm just gonna kind of scroll through it because a lot of these apps, there's no point in having them because I haven't opened them in so long. Like for example, I have the Planet Fitness app. I don't even go to Planet Fitness anymore, so I can definitely delete some stuff. I should probably do that. But that is everything on my phone. I do want to show you guys my other background though, so let me pull that up. Okay, I just switched it to my my other favorite lock screen, which is this one I took of the beach a while ago. And then it's just the same picture for my home screen, but I just like how neutral it is. So I just wanted to show you guys this one too because I think it's adorable. But I think that's about it, honestly. It's really nothing too special, but you guys have been requesting it for probably like over a year, or I don't know how long it's been since I did my last one. I should check. Since February of 2021. Another thing that I actually forgot to mention about my new phone is that I switched to light mode. I've always liked light mode, but I would hate when it was nighttime and it was just like so bright and like harsh. So I would just always have it on dark mode, but I don't know why I never thought to use the automatic setting where it switches from light to dark mode at like sunset or whatever. So now I have that setting turned on my phone and I've been really liking it. Anyways, I am just rambling, so I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys liked my unboxing slash what's on my iPhone video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.